Today we learn 6 essential taste adjectives in English: sweet, sour, bitter, salty, spicy, and delicious. These words help beginners describe food and drink flavors accurately. Mastering these adjectives builds confidence in everyday conversations about eating. Sweet describes the pleasant taste of sugar or honey. Candy, chocolate, and ripe fruits all taste sweet. This is the most enjoyable flavor for most people and appears in desserts and sweet drinks. Sour gives a sharp acidic sensation that makes your mouth pucker. Lemons, limes, and unripe fruits taste sour. This flavor signals high acidity and balances sweet tastes in many recipes. Bitter creates a sharp, unpleasant aftertaste unlike sweet. Black coffee, dark chocolate, and bitter greens like kale have this flavor. Many people acquire a taste for bitterness over time. Salty comes from salt and enhances other flavors in food. Chips, pickles, olives, and seawater all taste salty. Our bodies need some salt, but too much can overwhelm other tastes. Spicy produces a burning heat sensation, not a true taste. Chili peppers, hot sauce, and wasabi create spiciness through capsaicin. Spice levels range from mild to extremely hot. Delicious means a food tastes extremely good overall. Perfect pizza, warm cookies, and well-prepared meals earn this description. Use delicious for any combination of flavors that pleases completely. Remember these 6 key taste adjectives: sweet for sugar, sour for acid, bitter for sharp aftertaste, salty for salt flavor, spicy for burning heat, delicious for excellent overall taste. Practice using them when describing meals every day.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.